Follow the steps on how to make a sticker like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by creating a rectangle. Set it to the center of the artboard. Press A and round the corners. Then go to Object, Path and Path Offset. Check Preview. You can follow this size. Select the object and offset again with a different size. Next, activate the Type on a Path tool and click on this line. Then set the font type and size. Type a text. Go to Type, Type on a Path, and open Options. Check the preview and set it like this. Adjust the position. Press Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+F to paste in front. Move it to the side. Select Type and go back into Type on a Path options. Check Preview and flip. Readjust its position. Select. Press Shift and click this. Click again until the blue line appears, then set Align Center. Now fill it with color. Select all and group. Now create a grid using the rectangular grid tool. You can follow this size. Select and press I and click to copy the color. Prepare the symbol panel, then click and drag the grid into it. Press L and make a circle. Press A, select half of it and delete. Also delete the stroke. Now go to Effects, 3D and Revolve. And set it like this. And expand appearance. Select and set it to the center of the artboard. Now go to Object, Envelope Distort, and Make with Mesh. Fill it with 7 rows and 7 columns. Then click the Mesh tool and make it like this. Now press L and make a small circle. Press I to copy the color. Then go to Effect, Distort and Transform, and select Pucker and Bloat. Change it to -70%. And put it here. Copy and resize. Select all and group. Double-click if you want to set the outermost side to be without a stroke. Now press M and create a rectangle as the background. And send to back. This grid can be deleted. Finished. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.